first year in KVR College of Agriculture. Today my topic is about symptoms of phytopathogenic bacteria. Leaf spot. Water soaked circular or irregular necrotic spots on with the yellow halo on leaves may be observed. Example: bacterial leaf spot, streaks of paddy. Example: Xanthomonas oryzae, PV oryzae cola. These are the bacteria leaf spots caused in paddy. Bacterial leaf spots of pomegranate, Xanthomonas oryzae, PV purusini. And this is the bacterial leaf spot in pomegranate. Leaf blight, necrotic lesion with the blighting of leaf inflorescence. Example: bacterial leaf spot of paddy, Xanthomonas oryzae, PV oryzae. This is the bacterial leaf spot in paddy, and this is the cultural medium. Dying of plants organ, especially stem or branches from tip to backward. Scab, the infected area becoming rot, corky, slightly erased with the rusty and surface and pitted due to the abnormal proliferation of tissue in the epidermis. Example: potato scab, Streptomyces scabis. Canker, corky outgrowth can be seen on leaves, twigs, fruits and stem. Example: citrus canker, Xanthomonas citri, PV citri. These are especially seen in citrus fruits. Galls and tumors, abnormal enlargement and size overgrowth of cells due to the hypertrophy and hyperplasia. Example: Rongol, Agrobacterium tunicaceae. Galls and tumors, abnormal enlargement and size of outgrowth of cells due to the hypertrophy and hyperplasia. Example: Rongol, Agrobacterium tunicaceae. Wilting, dropping and yellowing of dead plant parts. Example: Moco wilt of banana, Ralstonia solanarium. Soft rot, softening and disintegration of affected tissue due to the enzymatic activities which is produced by the bacteria or ooze out from the infected tissue may occur. Example: soft rot of carrot, Ulpinia keratopora. Symptoms caused by carrot. These are the symptoms caused in carrot. Which of the following is a bacterial disease? Leaf spot. Necrotic spots on with yellow halo on leaf is characterized by leaf spots. Casual organisms of bacterial leaf spots, streaks of paddy, Xanthomonas oryzae. Casual organisms of bacterial leaf spots of pomegranate, Xanthomonas axanopodes. Necrotic lesions with the blighting of leaf symptoms is leaf blight. Casual organisms of bacterial leaf spots on paddy, Xanthomonas oryzae, PV oryzae. Dying of plant organs from tip to backward is the symptom of dieback. Infected area become rot, corky, slightly erased with the rust. Scab. Casual organisms of potato scab, Streptomyces scabis. Corky outgrowth is a symptom of canker. Identify the correct one. Citrus canker, Xanthomonas citri, PV citri. Streptomyces scabis causes scab. The abnormal enlargement is galls, size outgrowth of cells. Tumors. Hypertrophy and hyperplasia is a symptom of both A and B. Galls, causal organism of Rongol, Agrobacterium tunicaceae. Wilting, dropping, yellowing and death of plant parts symptoms. Wilt. Moco wilt of banana causal organisms. Ralstonia solanarium. Softening and disintegration of affected tissue due to the enzymatic activities is the symptom of soft rot. Soft rot of carrot causal organisms, Ulpinia keratopora. Water soaked circular or irregular spots of leaf is the symptom of leaf spot. Bacteria infected plants part produces ooze. Hyperplasia means cell size increases. Tumors and galls or dash diseases, bacterial diseases. Thank you.